Maganda araw mga bata. Ayun, tuturuan ko kayo mag-ingat pag mag-aircraft dito. Pero hindi now for protection. Ako mag-window. Yan ang tayo. Number 1. Maliit itas. Arugan sa loob ng bahay. Number 2. Maganda ng bag. Tubig. Flashlight. Whistle. Whistle. 3. Nausap ay paliyang. Sa'yo na lang kita. After earthquake. Then, akal na killing doon. Pag tumakbo, sumigaw. Lakad lang. Just remember, duck, cover, and hold. Papaganap ako. Baganap. Meanwhile, Earthquake, go! Good. The earthquake is done. And it by go bug. Hard hat. Is there may I hard hat? Oh no. Whistle. Go bug. Okay, slide.
Yeah.
Like this. Then like this. Pagdating ng fire truck dito. Ito for my tea. Earthquake for goodness.